Hi, and welcome to Week 8 of Quantitative Reasoning. This week in class, we'll continue with Unit 3. We'll be covering Lessons 8D and 8F and also starting the Unit 3 mini-project. This mini-project will build off of Lesson 8F. You will also be completing the Unit 3 activity quiz, Lesson 8. Please note that Tuesday and Wednesday are both reading days and we will not have class those days. The college will still be open if you have any questions or need to come on campus. This week, you'll need Lesson 8D's spreadsheet. You'll be updating column M on that Google Doc that we started at the beginning of the semester. If you click on this link and cannot access the doc, please make sure you are logged into your DTCC Google account. This is different from your MyDTC account. These two additional websites will help you when finding slope and intercepts and also correlation coefficient, especially on your preview and practice assignments. As mentioned in the announcement, we will not have class on Tuesday. So what you guys will be completing outside of class is you will watch the Edpuzzles for Lesson 8D and 8F while filling out your notes and starting that mini project. If you have any questions on these, please make sure you're coming to student hours or reaching out via email or phone. Also, please make sure you're staying up to date with the preview and practice assignments that are found on D2L. I hope you all have a great week.